how to fix Spotify playing random songs on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs on Android phone. First, just open Spotify and here just go to your music here, and now all you need to do just disable this one here, this green icon, make it white, and that's it. Now just try again, and that's it. It will play the next song in the same playlist, and let's try again, like make it like that, and then that's it here. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, of course, if you liked this video. And that's it. Don't see you in the next video.